Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can use Miro.com for your task management within your teams and projects. So let us dive into this, guys. So what you want to do is navigate to your board on Miro. And one way how you can organize your projects, teams, and tasks, as well as subtasks for your teams and projects is the Kanban view or format. To access it, guys, start by adding a frame to your board as a background. So let me just find some space here. Click into frame here on the left panel, select custom and add your frame. Now after that, resize it, position it just like that, and let me also lock it. After that, guys, what you want to do is click into that plus button here, Tools, Media and Integrations, at the very bottom of your sidebar. And here navigate to Tools as well as Formats. And from there, select one of your favorite formats like diagram or Kanban or a timeline. You can organize your tasks as well through tables and timelines. It's totally up to you. Or use mind maps through diagrams. I will go with a Kanban view because it helps me keep my tasks and subtasks organized by, for example, assigning statuses to it, assignees, team members, and so on and so forth. So select Kanban, left click into your frame to position your Kanban. Let me zoom in a bit, and now let me also change its size by clicking into one of its corners. And there you go, guys. Now you can start adding your tasks to your project Kanban by simply clicking into add a record here. And let me name it, for example, task 1. And that's basically it. Now you can add comments to your task. You can choose a background color. You can, for instance, move it to a different status. Like, for example, if it's here under not started, you may, for instance, move it here to under in progress or complete. Of course, you can customize these statuses as well. Let me just add task number 2. And also assign a different color to it. And you can click into your status and change its name, like, for example, I don't know, under review or something like that. And there you go. You may choose or assign a color for each status as well. And that's how you do it, guys. So let's say, for instance, a task has been completed by one of your team members. Simply left click into the given task and move it to complete here. And that is going to label the given task as complete. And that's basically it. You can hide columns, for instance. You can create more columns if your project features more statuses. Click into a new column, and here, for example, let me add that not started yet status. Press enter, and that is going to add that status to your Kanban view. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.